Rocket Lab is emerging as one of the most exciting space companies in the world right now. While SpaceX dominates headlines, Rocket Lab is quietly positioning itself as the clear number 2, and the market is starting to notice. Over the last year, Rocket Lab has achieved a series of milestones that set it apart from most space startups. With its Electron rocket, it has completed over 40 successful launches, serving clients like NASA, the US Space Force, and private satellite companies. But the big story is its expansion into satellite manufacturing and its upcoming Neutron rocket, which could put it in direct competition with SpaceX's Falcon 9. The numbers are impressive. Rocket Lab's revenue grew to over $240 million last year, up more than 60% year over year. Its launch backlog has swelled to over $600 million, ensuring steady income for years to come. It's not just about rockets. Rocket Lab is now vertically integrated. It builds spacecraft, designs satellite components, and offers end-to-end services that few competitors can match. This positions Rocket Lab as a one-stop shop for space missions, from small CubeSats to large government payloads. What makes Rocket Lab especially exciting is its technological edge. The company is developing reusability tech for its rockets, aiming to drive down launch costs. It's also building out Photon, its satellite platform that lets clients skip designing their own spacecraft. This is huge for commercial and government customers looking for quick deployment. The upcoming Neutron rocket, designed to lift heavier payloads, will open new markets for Rocket Lab, including crewed missions and mega-constellation launches. Investor sentiment is turning positive. Institutions like BlackRock and Vanguard have increased their stakes, and analysts are upgrading their price targets. Retail investors are catching on too, fueling the stock's momentum. Social media mentions of Rocket Lab have surged, and trading volumes are at multi-month highs. The stock is still volatile. It's a space company after all, but the long-term story is compelling. Rocket Lab's partnerships are another bullish signal. Its work with NASA includes critical lunar and Mars missions, and it's part of defense contracts related to national security. As geopolitical tensions rise, demand for reliable launch providers and surveillance satellites is only increasing. Rocket Lab is in the perfect position to capitalize. Valuation-wise, Rocket Lab still looks attractive compared to its potential. With a market cap under $3 billion, it's tiny next to SpaceX, which is valued north of $180 billion. Yet Rocket Lab's progress in launch frequency, technology, and customer base suggests it's on track for exponential growth. This asymmetry makes it a classic early-stage bet. High risk, but even higher potential reward. The competitive landscape favors Rocket Lab. Many small space startups have struggled or gone bankrupt, but Rocket Lab has survived and thrived. It's gaining share in both commercial and government markets, and its reputation for reliability is strengthening. Customers care about one thing: getting their payloads to orbit on time. Rocket Lab delivers, and that's turning into real, repeat business. Looking ahead, Rocket Lab's roadmap includes ramping up Neutron development, expanding manufacturing capacity, and enhancing satellite services. Its ambition is to be more than just a launcher. It wants to own the space infrastructure layer. That's a powerful narrative, and it's one that investors are waking up to. Another point that adds to Rocket Lab's appeal is the macro environment. Governments around the world are increasing their space budgets, not only for exploration but for defense and security. The commercialization of low Earth orbit, the rise of satellite internet, and the growth of Earth observation are creating a wave of demand. Rocket Lab is one of the few companies positioned to capture this across multiple segments. Competitors like Astra and Firefly Aerospace have struggled with reliability issues and financial challenges, but Rocket Lab has steadily delivered. This has allowed it to lock in long-term contracts and become a trusted name among satellite operators. The company's focus on innovation, like its recent plans to explore hypersonic research and on-orbit manufacturing, shows it's not resting on its laurels. Management plays a key role here too. CEO Peter Beck has built a reputation as a visionary leader, someone who is not only technically brilliant, but also understands how to scale a business. His decision to pursue reusability, expand into spacecraft, and develop the Neutron rocket are all strategic bets that could pay off massively. Investors are increasingly confident in his leadership, and that's reflected in the company's rising profile. For retail investors, Rocket Lab represents a unique opportunity to tap into the space boom. Unlike SpaceX, which remains private, Rocket Lab trades openly on the NASDAQ under the ticker RKLB. This makes it one of the only pure-play space companies available to individual investors. While ETFs like RKX offer some exposure, Rocket Lab offers direct participation in one of the most exciting growth stories of this decade. The space economy is projected to reach over $1 trillion by 2040, with growth coming from satellites, exploration, defense, manufacturing, and even space tourism. Rocket Lab has a foothold in several of these areas. As more companies and governments look to put assets in orbit, Rocket Lab stands to benefit disproportionately. The company's ability to innovate, execute, and expand makes it a strong contender for investors looking at long-term megatrends. In conclusion, Rocket Lab isn't just a launcher, it's becoming an essential part of the space infrastructure. From small-sat launches to complex missions, from manufacturing to on-orbit services, Rocket Lab's ecosystem is growing. For investors, the combination of technological innovation, market opportunity, strong leadership, and growing financials makes Rocket Lab one of the most compelling high-growth stories in the market today. If you want the full research, exclusive bonus picks, and deep dives into hidden space stocks, join our Patreon. And if you're ready to start trading explosive stocks like Rocket Lab, check out my broker links in the description for bonuses and zero-commission trading. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. But Rocket Lab is a space stock that's blowing up right now, and you're still early.